Today we will unbox and assemble the Regalo's retractable safety gate, and I'll show it to you step by step. It's for ages 6 through 24. Its height is 30 inches and its width is 50 inches. Step 1. Unbox it. यार ये कैंची में आके पड़ रहा है. Step 2, just put these on the wall. That's it. So you just press this button and twist it toward the unlock. You can see the unlock here, and then you just open it. It wasn't opening since it was locked. Now this side will go in the wall, and this side will be mounted on a hook on the opposite side of the wall. You have to mount 2 on each side so that one side can hold this thing, and the other side can hold the mount to grip this side. Okay, the first step would be to mount this one and a similar one on the wall like this and right here. Once they are installed, then you just need to pick this thing and basically sit them on top of this so that they can get clipped on. This thing will go right in here. That is the first step. So one side of your wall will be mounted like this. Then on the opposite side, you will need to install these two, where this will get hooked. Based on where you want to mount it, one side will have the first hook, second hook. You put the whole assembly there. On the opposite side, you put one bracket, second bracket, to put those mounts so that when you pull this sheet, it gets hooked up right here. Step number 1, put this part on the bottom side, and it has to be completely level, because your main goal is to put it on the wall. Then sit this bottom section on top of it, and then take the measurement and then put the one on the top, which is this guy. So this on the bottom, this on the top. This one is installed. Then just sit the bottom portion on top of it. You will know when it snips. Okay, it just got snipped. Now you know exactly where to put the top portion. If you know that this is perfectly leveled, you can eyeball it. But then whenever the top sits, just put a line here. Because once you move it, you need to make sure that this is exactly in alignment with the top part of this fence. See, I have put a line here. I put this device in just to make sure that my alignment is exactly 100% matching with the height. I put it in, and now I'll just press this button to take this thing out. It's very simple. It will just help you in making sure that you don't have like a small millimeter difference, and then now you have to undo everything to put these things together. Now I will put this thing right here, like right here, right underneath the line where I took the measurement. Okay, so both are installed. This one is installed on the bottom and this one is installed on the top. I just made sure that it's completely horizontal and aligning with this guy. the next step would be to sit this on the bottom and snip it on the top. So I just set this one on the bottom and snip on the top portion. So if I ever want to take it out, I just press button and take it out. But it's perfectly aligned. And all I have to do is stretch the fence to the other wall, do some markings there, and close the wall. Okay, so now the next step is to put this one here. Put this one here so that when this thing comes, you can hook it up here. There'll be one here and one on top. Okay, this one is mounted. Now we will mount this guy right underneath it, about here. Top one is aligned, bottom one is installed. All we have to do is close the curtain or the fence, whatever. And this is the finished product.